Assalamualaikum dear students. Today's topic is photorespiration. Photorespiration. Photorespiration is a light dependent respiration. Light dependent respiration which occurs in C3 plants. That is leaves of C3 plants. Photorespiration was discovered by Dicker and Teo in tobacco leaves. Photorespiration is also called a C2 cycle because the first stable compound formed is a 2-carbon compound. Photorespiration occurs only in C3 plants and is absent in case of C4 plants. The pathway of photorespiration involves 3 cell organelles, namely chloroplast, peroxisomes, and mitochondria. Photorespiration is a wasteful process which reduces the yield of C3 plants. The pathway of photorespiration is like this. It is chloroplast and 2 membranes, outer and inner. It is chloroplast. It is peroxisome having single membrane. Peroxisome. It is mitochondria having also 2 membranes, outer and inner. The enzyme responsible for this process is ribosco, and the substrate is also RUBP. Since we know that ribosco is the most abundant protein as well as enzyme on this planet Earth, it is a bifunctional enzyme. That means it performs both carboxylase as well as oxygenase activity. If carbon dioxide is greater than oxygen, then it fixes carbon dioxide. But if carbon dioxide is less than oxygen, then it fixes oxygen. That is photorespiration. So RUBP in presence of oxygen forms a compound called as 2-phosphoglycolate. Then it loses one molecule of phosphoric acid and forms glycolate. This glycolate is transported now into peroxisome. Where it is converted into an amino acid called as glycine. Glycine is transported into mitochondria now. This is mitochondria. Where it undergoes decarboxylation. That means carbon dioxide is removed from it and it forms serine plus carbon dioxide. Serine ultimately forms hydroxypyruvate. Then it's transported into peroxisome, where it forms glycerate. This glycerate is now transported back into chloroplast, where it forms PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, and ultimately back RUBP. First of all, RUBP in presence of oxygen forms a compound called as 2-phosphoglycolate. Then glycolate. Glycolate is now transported to peroxisome, where it is converted into glyoxylate. Then into glycine, which is an amino acid. This glycine is now transported into mitochondria, where it is converted into another amino acid called as serine plus carbon dioxide. Serine then forms hydroxypyruvate and ultimately phosphoglyceric acid, which later on forms RUBP. Thank you.